Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm doing another video for you guys, and I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading lately. It's just been a lot of stuff going on with school and everything like that. But I'm going to be doing another squishy video for you guys today, and this one I'm going to be showing you all the squishies that I've had between January and today, so April, and these are all the squishies that I've had in 2018. So without further ado, remember to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below what you think. Remember to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell down below, and then you will be notified that a new upload video is on its way. So, let's get started. My very first squishy that I've got is this emoji squishy. Next, I have this squishy. This was a keyring before, but then I decided to take the keyring part off. Next, I have this squishy. All of these smell really good, by the way. Movie time! So here I have a popcorn. Now we are moving on to the bagged items. So this came in a little like packaged squishy. I wouldn't call this packaging, but it came with a packet. And these are all the other types of squishies they had in the collection. Next, I have this squishy, which is in the same ones. They're called Kawaii Squeezies. See, I've got the two of them. And this one was the icicle. And guys, these are proper sticks. Next, I have this squishy packaging. And this one is stars. I have got this choco dipped sandwich toast thing, but it's at my nana's, so I couldn't show it to you today. And guys, I do have a bonus for you today. So my bonus is this little squishy. And this is a Squishimal. It's got all these different ones. And I've got nearly the whole entire collection. I've got quite a few of them. And I think I've got one more to collect until I get my selection that I wanted. So it's basically a plush toy with a squishy inside. And then I've got the other one of it. And this one is the sheep one. That one down there. It's meant to look like that, but looks like this. And guys, before I let you go, I wanted to show you these two squishies that I have homemade. And then there's this one, and it's like a marshmallow. And you can watch my other videos on my channel to watch these videos to make homemade squishies, and I will be uploading one making this marshmallow. So be sure to watch that video. But remember, until then, bye!